time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Oh! Hi friends, I'm Zoe. I have something super exciting to show you. Check this out. Do you know what it is? It's a donut wall. I can put different donuts on these pegs and share them with my friends. Let's do it. We can put a powdered donut here. So sugary. We can put a glazed donut, an all-time favorite, right here. We'll put a chocolate donut right here, and everyone loves chocolate, and a bacon donut. Don't knock it till you try it. Right here, and the all-time best donut in the world, the sprinkle donut. And hold on a second. I might as well put sprinkles on everything.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Zoe. Hoo! Hoo! I heard some sprinkles fall, and I spy yummy donuts on that wall.
Yes, Ollie. I made a wall of donuts to share with my friends, with, of course, lots of sprinkles.
It's great to give good things. It's true. I know who made good things for you. Listen to this story.
Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello friends, I'm Aisha and welcome to my cupcake food truck. I'm so happy to see you today. Do you want to see my latest creation? Ta-da! These are my good garden cupcakes. Do you see all the different flowers on them? I am so thankful for pretty flowers and cupcakes. Today's story is about some really good things to be thankful for. Are you ready to hear it? If you're ready for the story, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible begins with a super amazing gift. Raise your hand if you like gifts. You do? I do too. And when someone who loves you makes you a gift, it's even more special. Well, in the beginning of the world, God made something really big and really amazing. Do you know what it is? That's right! God made the whole world. Wow! God made the earth for all of us to live on because God is good. But God didn't stop there. God made even more. Let's see what's in this gift. What is it? A flower, that's right. And did God make just one kind of flower? No! God made tall flowers and short flowers and yellow flowers and blue flowers and so many different and beautiful flowers for us to enjoy. When we look around and see all the different flowers God made, we can say, God is good. Say it with me. Who is good? God is good. But that's not all God made. Uh-oh. This one is jumping. What do you think is in this gift? What is it? Oh, yes, that's right, a frog. God made animals, but God didn't make just one kind of animal. God made sloths and butterflies and llamas and squirrels and alligators. Who made all the animals? That's right, God made all kinds of animals. When we look around and see all the different animals God made, we can say, God is good. Say it with me. Who is good? God is good. But that's not all God made. Let's see what is in this gift. Do you know what it is? That's right, a person. God made people, and not just one person, but every person in the whole world. God made each of us different and wonderful. We look different, think different thoughts, speak different languages, and are able to do different things. When we look around and see all the people God made, we can say, God is good. Say it with me. Who is good? God is good. God made the whole world and everything in it. Everywhere we look, we see good gifts that God made because God is good. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is good?
God is good. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is good?
God is good. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made lots of good things for you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, our whole world is filled with gifts from God. And when we look around and see them, we can say that God is good. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go outside and look at all the amazing things that God made. While eating one of these sprinkled donuts, of course. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Psalm 107:1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Psalm 107:1.